Says we're ready, yes. Even start on your marks. Straight out, first turn, back to the start line. Get set.
All the guys are really good out there. And the hard thing is about doing the boat is thinking how who else is behind you. You have to think, will they pass us or not?
Know if they're behind you, forward, side to side, wherever they're at.
If they're like in the way, then you just keep on going. If they're sinking, you just go.
Number one, on your marks. Get set.
Last year, the Lemon Brothers took first, second, and third, so I decided that I had to have a boat that I could compete with them this year. And I was laying in bed one night, and this diamond shape, kind of a kayak boat came into mind. I thought, you know what, it might work. And I went for length, so I can engineer my weight on a longer plane, and it seemed to work because I measured it one time when I got in. It was only 1.5 inches down, and it worked. So we're good. We're going to pick up the championship today and pack it up and head home.
Okay, Randy.
We got one without the tip.